Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. So I know a lot of people have been talking about TikTok versus IG Reel, which one is better, and obviously IG Reels is very new and seems like they copied all of the features of TikTok, right? But there is something in IG Reels that I do like, and I'm going to share that with you in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this, and I want to share the one feature. I think everything else, IG Reel is very similar to IG Reel Instagram Reels, right? If you don't have that new feature, new app, or new feature inside the Instagram, go update your app, right? All right. Now, let me show you what that feature is. So what I'm going to do is, here's my Instagram. I'm going to go and create a new reel. So I'm on the reels. So you have three options: live, and then story, and then the reels, right? So I'm going to click on reels and just create a random reel. Hey, what's up guys? This is my table. Look at my coffee cup, right? And now, obviously I can do, the audio, a lot of all the bells and whistles. And by the way, I did create a detailed video about Instagram Reels, how to use this on my YouTube channel, so you can go watch that. But watch what happens when I'm about to post this. I'm gonna hit next. Here is my favorite feature, this right here. So I'm able to download this, and this is the download button. So I'm able to download this video that I created inside Instagram Reels on my camera roll. Now, why is that something that I do like? Well, because then I can create content inside Instagram Reels, because there's a lot of cool features, the audios, effects, timer, so many interesting things, and I can save it. I don't have to post this to Instagram Reels. I can just use this on my other social media marketing channels or any other place, right? This right here is not available on TikTok. So for example, if I wanted to do this on TikTok, let me just cross this out, discard this. And by the way, I do have, if I go to my camera roll, this video right here. So I created this video inside Instagram Reels. I did not post it yet. I am going to post it, but I downloaded this without any, look at this, no logos here, right? I do think it's a really, really interesting thing. If you go to TikTok, so let's say if I was creating a brand new video on TikTok, so a same video I created on TikTok, then hit next, and obviously I can add all the good stuff, all the effects and everything here, hit next, but there is no way for me to save this to my device without uploading to TikTok. Now, I know there are a couple of workarounds, and I've created some videos on my channel as well, because you're able to download. Let me close this. So what you can do is, in that case, you can save that video. A couple of different solutions. One is, you can save that video, or once it's published, you can save it on your camera roll as a live photo, and then you can convert the live photo into video. So that's one way. The other option is you can use some online tools to download without the logo. So that's another way. And the third option is you can screen record it. So if you have a video that you created inside TikTok, so you can go to right before you post the video. For example, this video I created, so I can click here and I can do the screen recording and capture everything. Let me save it in my drafts, right? But going back to Instagram Reels, I do think having a video that you create inside Instagram Reels and then being able to download that without posting on that platform is really cool. And who knows, maybe TikTok will acquire or copy that feature in near future. But yeah, that's one thing inside Instagram Reels that I do like, because I'm able to use Instagram Reels not just a place to push content or add content to, but I can use that app as my video creation app. I can create content, download, save, and then use on other places. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, if you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments, and also like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.